capabilities of GOP, IOPs, and be able to know whether the order number matches what you want them to do. Look at the order number we have here now. Actually, the order number is very important because that was required and there's nobody saying anything. So you look at this interface, it looks very small, tiny, having the escape ports in okay and the like. If you have downloaded the two manuals already, let me know because that's number one. Even in the track also this is where we navigated. If you look at it, the escape is there, okay, I think red, you see hand and auto, if it wants to do manual mode, then automatic mode. But if you look at the other guy, here, you discover his screen is bigger. You know, it's like comparing it at 310 with an Android phone. So what is really the difference between a VFD and an IoT? You know, another assignment. So when you're doing VFD and an IoT, and I tell people always find out the ones or other. Exactly. And that is the control unit. IP or memoratic for the panel that the manufacturer has said this guy must be in. So if not that level of protection is gone, the drive is gone, regardless of protection it has. So from this, we can then connect it to the software for this drive, which is SCADA, and then do commissioning. This is even without the PLC. There's a software for the drive. Even I'm sure for all the drives in your plant.